My movie Kill Them All and Done. I did my own movie Kill Them All and Done. I mean, any interview me go up and me have to tell the truth. Me do the movie if you get girl, you know. We never know it that was so big. Yeah, man. We do the movie if you get girl.
Yeah.
It's like Tivoli did have a movie. Tivoli Devon Town, Spanish Town, Jungle, and show me the White House as a White House man, a White House man.
And Cartel have a movie too.
Yeah, Cartel is a female too. Kick a, hey.
Yeah.
Cartel, if you ever see this, boy, you make me laugh to me weep, me G. But when I see that movie, then it never really inspire me to do no. It's just that the man them now see that movie, they say, yo, we can't have big White House, a big garrison here like this, and then man they make for the movie and you know make your one. Some say, yeah, do I make some movie and try to get some girl, you see? It works still, get some girl, but we never know say a movie that get 1.8 million views, you can look it up on YouTube.
Yeah, you mentioned it in it, yeah, you get a lot of views. Yeah.
And before the views though, piracy. I witnessed piracy, not on the sea, on a boat or on a ship, but on land, where the DVD, a person walk up to me and say, yo, me rate you, you know. I know the person still, I Lizard don't come and say, you know. Yeah. So.
Let Lizard pass. All right, him pass.
Go on, them I look for you. Yeah. So, what I know is a person see me and say, yo, rate you, you know. Every day I make 20 grand off here. This is literally what the person said to me. Every day I make 20 grand off here. I say, what do you mean? I say, I movie myself, man. Remember when DVD
run thing
from 2010 to about 2014 before people have Netflix and them something.
Big
the
man.
DVD.
Can I say something to you?
Yeah, watch it too.
It's between your show and Twins Up Twins Ching Po.
Yeah.
Them two they dash down the street.
Me say, when the man tell me say 20 grand, the man make me know say, listen, remember the DVD them myself for $100.
Yeah.
That before them start pack up one movie
with four on it, yeah.
We talk about from when the movie them myself about 150. And the man say, I might want to loan him just bun. Him come out with a 20 copy and he make X amount and him this, that, and the man say, I make 20 grand off of my head.
And you make him pick me and go school all of that something?
No, that part, they don't tell lie. I don't want to see me on road and say, me tell you that. But
Yardstyle Live.